What's going on, guys? So today I'm helping out a farmer buddy of mine. They are going to expand their lot, so we're going to strip some topsoil, which is what we got going on over here, running the D5K. We're going to clear all of this topsoil back to that drive right there. Then we're going to swing over here. We're going to smooth this area out, and then you can see the millings back here. We're going to thin those out. Right now they're about a foot thick. They don't need them quite that thick, so we're going to thin them out, and then back around the back corner here are some more millings that we'll start to push out. So I don't expect to finish this project anytime soon. It's kind of a, like, I don't know, half-ass project. They don't really have a time frame for, but I needed some dozer footage and he offered to help me out, so here we are. So let's go get in the cab and do some pushing. Can't see it, but on this side there's a big old rock digging out. There we go. set up. can't see it, but on the other side of my blade here, I'm working along this dirt road, or this gravel road, and I'm just peeling the topsoil back away from the millings, trying to put as little topsoil and grass on the millings as possible. Alright, we are to the point of making finish passes here, so I figured I'd throw the camera back on. Hard up against the wall on the right side of my blade, which is why I've straightened out, is to carry more material instead of pinching it. I don't want to roll it up on the side and make a big windrow on this right side. So this is a D5K. The D5K 2 series has a lot more power. The original K series was known as kind of dogs. They didn't quite have the power that the 2 series has. So unfortunately we don't have a 2. This is a straight K series. So we're just gonna push a little slow. So I don't know if you can see it, I'll angle a little bit. There's the windrow, we're right up against it. I'm just gonna clean some of that material, so I'm actually I've been angling my blade to the right to push it up against the windrow, but now I actually wanna pull some of that material back out so that I can push it forward. So this pass, we're gonna actually angle our blade back to the left, pull some of that material out of there to get it to the pile, and then we'll finish cleaning up, and we'll just roll everything to the right for our cleanup passes so that it ends up back in this windrow. right, so that's gonna do it for the day. We've been out here for I think about 3.5 hours, and I'd say we got a fair amount done. So just to recap, we stripped all of that topsoil into that big pile over there, and we came over, we backbladed this whole area off because I thought we were gonna have more millings, but turns out we didn't. So I backbladed this whole area. We were able to stretch this little area here. That's still a little thick. I probably could have taken a little more out, but we brought this forward probably another 15 feet or so. And then I backbladed this, and then off there in the distance, you can see the area we were just working in, where he had, I think, 2 or 3 piles that had been dumped by the last dump truck. And so we got those smoothed out. You will notice there's some humps there at the end. I intentionally left those because that's starting to get into a low area that drains water. And I didn't want to push those out and cause the water to back up, because that would turn basically the subgrade, you could call it. It will turn the subgrade to mush with the first rain they get. So, but here you can see this whole area in here was low, so I've actually had to pull material back and then drag it forward so that we could get some of the low spots out of there. It's not terrible, especially considering everyone's wrapping up and going home. Just wanting to get out of here. There's a little hump right here where I'm standing, but outside of that, it's not too bad. It looks halfway decent for a parking lot. So anyway, thanks for joining me on another operating day. Again, if you like these videos, let me know in the comments and I'll try to keep doing them. And as always, hit the subscribe button because I appreciate that. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Have a good one.